Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. It is time to make the first spread in my new planner. So, we're going to be doing the journal. Well, I meant weekly. I already did monthlies and quarterlies. So, this is the first journal spread weekly in my new planner. It is for the week of January 2nd through the 8th. I did finish my old planner with the 26th through the 1st. So I'm going to be creating something really fun, hopefully, right? Let's see. So I have stickers from the Pretty Paper Shop, from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. And I have these snowflakes, and I have the blue sticker book from Mojo Jojo. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using this dark blue one. So bear with me and we'll go from there. I'm going to start with journaling boxes, which are my favorite for this planner. And we are going to be putting those down on both sides. Anyway, if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back and thanks for choosing to spend time with me. So if you are like me and you have the Fleur planner, let me know if you love it because it is so pretty. The dividers are gorgeous. And I'm going to be pulling the little snowflakes now and arranging them all around. Hopefully this will work accordingly and look pretty because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so just adding these. Again, these are just images that I bought off of Etsy like a couple years ago, and I have them, and once in a while I use them in the winter time. I do really like them. So fun, right? Let's go ahead and add these to the spread. I want to kind of alternate them. Each snowflake is so different. That's what's so fun about this for me. And I have so many sizes of these because again, these are images that I own, so I can print them up to like 500 times, I think is what the license said. So 500 times is quite a bit for personal use. So there we go. Each image I can print up to 500 times. Anyway, that's what it is. So let's go ahead and get started on the lower portion of this. I'm gonna add a couple more boxes and I'm gonna be playing with the little houses from Pretty Paper Shop, JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. I think that will be a lot of fun. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna add these tiny little houses right there. Here we go. Yep. And I want to add the trees too for a pop of green. Okay, let's fix this house and then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with the rest. This will be a super quick video because I don't have a lot of images. I do want to write in here quite a bit, so it's not gonna be a huge thing, I think. So I'm gonna add the trees. Okay, let's see. set that here and see how that looks. I think I like it. So let's keep going. I'm gonna go ahead and just add bigger snowflakes throughout for a pop of color. Again, I will be writing in here, but I don't know when. It's so hard with these because you never know how much you're going to write in here or what's going to be happening that week. So you're guesstimating, right? It's always a guesstimation of how much space you're gonna need. But I suppose you can always attach another page or put a page in between and write more if you need to. So not a big deal. Okay, I'm gonna add tiny snowflakes. Look at these babies. Tiny, tiny ones that are falling, and then maybe I can add a couple quotes and I will be done. There's not much more that I want to do in here, so I'm gonna add like tiny little baby, one more right here, a couple more by the big snowflake, and then that's about it. That's going to be my spread. So I want to add quotes. I know that there's quotes in the blue book, so I will use those. Okay, here we go. I was thinking of putting all these little babies and making it kind of snow from the big ones, but it's gonna take too much space, and maybe another time if I'm going on vacation next year or something like that, we can do it. But for right now, I need the space. Okay, so I'm pulling a couple quotes out from here, and let's place them down and see how that looks. So I got that blue book from the Happy Planner. I think it's called C type, something like that. I don't remember what it's like. I don't know how to even pronounce that, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it really quickly. So we're gonna add this quote that says, whatever you do, do your best. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. And then we're gonna add wake up and be awesome. Stay positive. I'm gonna put that on the box actually. And I'm gonna add one more that says you can make a difference every day, and it's big. So let's see if I can. I was thinking of putting it right here. Oh my gosh, it's so long. Okay. So I'm gonna have to figure out where to put this long one because I do really want this. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I am done. That's all I'm doing for the spread. I'm gonna pop it back into my planner, and that will be it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for another video. Have a great week. Bye! Actually, let's move this green tree. Now that I'm looking at it, it's bugging me. There's no green on this side, that's why. Okay, so let's add that. Okay, now I'm done. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!